All right, let's look at the probability of an event. All right, let's say you have a sample space has an outcome E1 through En. All right, so first case, if event happens to be in an empty set, all right, then we know that the probability, because something has to happen, so nothing never happens. So probability of event E is going to be 0. Right? And if the event is the entire sample space, right, then something in the sample space happens all the time. So the probability of this event or sample space is going to be always equal to 1. Right? Then if you have event E, let's say it's going to have outcome E1, E2, E5, and E7. And what you want to do is, if you want to find the probability of this event, all you have to do is find the probability of E2 plus probability of E5 and the probability of E7. Right? So regardless of empirical probability or theoretical probability, once you have the probability assignment to each outcome, we should be able to compute this probability. All right, so let's look at the following example. A store carries 4 brands of DVD players, J, G, P, and S. From past records, the manager found that the relative frequency of the band choice among customers varied. Using the given probability values for each of the 4 bands, so this is acceptable probability assignment, and find the probability that a random customer will choose a brand J or brand P. So we're talking about the event E, which is either choose J or P. All right? So if you want to find the probability of this particular event E, all you have to do is find the probability of choosing the brand J and also probability of choosing brand P, which is going to be brand J, probability is 0.26, and the brand P would be 0.26 as well. So this is going to be 0.52. Right? So this is the probability of this particular event E. All right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.